Question number 1 is, these are the rates charged by a painter, a plumber and an electrician who do some work for Mr. Sharma. Its part A is, the painter works for 7 hours and calculate the amount Mr. Sharma pays the painter. Painter works for 7 hours and he charges $35 per hour. So the total amount will be 35 times 7 is equal to 245. Next is part B. Mr. Sharma pays the plumber $252. Calculate how many hours the plumber works. And the rate for the plumber is, his fixed charges are $40 and $26.50 per hour. So we will subtract 40 from 252. This is 212. Now we will divide it with the rate per hour. 212 divided by $26.50. 212 divided by 26.50 is 8. That means plumber works for 8 hours. Next is part C. Mr. Sharma pays the electrician $224. Calculate how many hours the electrician works. Now the rate for the electrician is, he charges $48 per hour and for the first 2 hours. Then he charges $32 per hour. So 224 minus for first 2 hours he charges $48. 224 minus 2 times 48 equals 128. And then after 2 hours he will charge $32 per hour. So divided by 32 equals 4. Now for first 2 hours he charges 48 and then he works for 4 more hours. So the total working hours will be 2 plus 4 equals 6. Next is part C. Sand costs $98.90 per ton. This cost includes a tax of 15%. Calculate the amount of tax paid per ton of sand. For finding the tax, first we will find the original cost of sand. So 1 plus 15% of original amount equals 98.90. From this we will calculate x, and then x equals 98.90 over 1 plus 15 over 100. 98.90 over 1 plus 15 over 100 equals 86. The original cost of the sand was 86. Now the tax equals 98.90 minus 86. 98.90 minus 86 is equal to 12.9. So tax is $12.9. Next is part D. Raj buys some sand for 3,540 rupees. Calculate the cost in dollars when the exchange rate is $1 is 70.8 rupees. When $1 is 70.8 rupees, then 1 rupee equals $1 over 70.8. Then 3,540 rupees equals $1 over 70.8 multiplied by 3,540. 3,540 divided by 70.8 equals 50. So the cost in dollars is $50.